In today's video, I'll show you how you could get Elevenlabs API key. So let's get started. So it's really simple. So to find your API key here, you just simply need to go log in into elevenlabs.io. And then once you're logged into your account, just simply click here on My Account, right here in the bottom left, and click on API keys. And then once you're here, just simply go here into API keys section. And then from here, you can now find all your API keys. If you don't have one, you can create one by clicking here and then naming it. And then you can restrict the key if you'd want to. So you can enable that, and then it will now restrict it into text to speech. You could make it has access, no access, or depending what kind of feature you would want this API key to have. So you could choose it right here. And then once you're done, you want to click here on create. And then you can now copy the API key to the clipboard, click on that, and now you can paste it on wherever you want to use it. And here it is. So basically, you can enable or disable it right here, or you could also edit this, or you could copy the API key right here, or you could delete that. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.